YouTube? As promised, we are back in Atlanta. This weekend we're here at WHIPSBYWADE Certified Summer Showdown here in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we got a lot of cars, bikes, old schools, lifted trucks, lower trucks, you name it. Show started at 2, it's 4:22. Lot is damn near full. So we're gonna do a little walkthrough. She already saw a couple things she liked. I saw a couple things I like. We get to rekindle with a couple people that we know from Naptown, Chicago, St. Louis, you name it. A couple even people from Cincinnati. So let's get to it. Let's go on. Speaking of which, a little Naptown right here. Hey, tell them what your Instagram is. Tell them what your Instagram is. Go ahead.
Follow me on IG at Prince_317.
Yes, sir.
Same thing.
Yes, sir. He the GOAT. When I don't know something, I tag him. Boom, he know. And my man right here. Go ahead, tell him what's your
JB Steady Counting. JB Steady Counting.
Yes,
on
sir.
all social media.
All
JB
social
Steady
media.
Counting.
So y'all check my boys out, man. Okay then. Yes, sir. Look, we got the little mini me. Little mini me. He said, "Pull up, kid." Hey. Okay then, young man.
I thought you looked birds. You thought people cared.
We just gonna start row by row. Slide through everything. Z28. Shout out to Tire King. Kofa. New brand wheel.
Fuck you thought.
How you doing? Hey, let them know where they can find y'all at.
Douglasville.
Got you, Douglasville. Okay then.
10603 Veterans Memorial Highway. We're on the Tire Kings. We also carry Kofa wheels. That's our brand.
Got you. Y'all hear that? Y'all check them out, man. They got a couple designs too. Clean, black on rim company. Tap in. Got your Jeep.
Ain't it
your
nice?
Jeep.
Look at that.
Hey, yo, Angie want a Jeep so bad. Her little ass.
Big wheels.
Big wheels. Them the big wheels you want?
Big ass wheels.
Big ass wheels. Right. Got the C10. C10. Wildwood. Hey. I ain't never seen one of these. Yo, it's like a Ferrari Testarossa kit car. What? Anybody? Hey, if anybody knows the base car for this, drop it in the comments. Let me know. I ain't never seen one of these before. We got an LT Ferrari. Jolly Customs, tap in. I like the pearlescent on it. On the Ruchis, they say Ruchi get you what?
Gucci.
I see G-Dog brought out Ruby today. Got the Z06. I love the 450s. 450 on 4Gs. The Cadillac Cadillac B, my bad, misspoken. Cadillac Escalade B. They said it's the big one, not the little one. Yeah, that one. And my favorite color is red. Now, for everybody that was talking shit, I have two favorite colors. One of them is black, the other one is red. I'm from Cincinnati, and if you're from Cincinnati, you know that a lot of people that live there, they like black and red. So y'all can quit it with the hating ass comments. Ain't nobody worried about y'all. Both my favorite colors is black and red. Shut your ass up.
And I like the rainbow, so don't start on me.
Okay then. My boy Josh from Alabama. What's up with it?
Good.
Tell them where they can find you on social media.
Mr._sneaker_CEO.
Yup, the man, he got the kicks. So y'all tap in. What is it? Y'all see the name, Mr. Sneaker CEO. Yeah, he got the new wheels on here too. Yeah, I like this one. The red eye rod. Nice little inside. With the fat engine. 71 Chevelle SS. Yeah. On my knees. This is a Chevy SS.
No, the ones I'm good with here.
Oh, that is a Chevy Caprice.
That's nice.
You like it because it's black?
Yeah.
You like your cars like you like your men? Airbags. Okay then, I like that. Flex. Flex.
What else you got up the sleeve, man? Oh man,
The man with the plan. Hey, tell them where they can find you.
International.
Hey, tell them where they can find you on
man,
social media.
You can find me all your major social media, Fishing and Flossing.
Yes, sir.
Got my guy behind the camera.
Hey, this the OG. Look.
SolidWhipz.
This the OG. I'll pay a lot of homage to this man because if it wasn't for him, SolidWhipz probably wouldn't be what it is.
Hardest working man in the business right here,
look,
baby.
no, this guy right here.
Internationally known, locally
This-
accepted, man.
This guy right here. Hey, internationally known.
I
Hey.
like that one. That's a
Look,
good one.
hey, look, you giving her content, man. She gonna look. She gonna say it later on. Watch.
Remember that time?
The short bed on the Ruchis. Hey, Ruchis get the. I like the flip on that pair of Lexus. Like it. I love this body style Cutlass. 87, 88 with the Euro clip. Now I'm not sure if this is one or not because I like the one with the center console. It's a Cutlass Supreme. So y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. It's different. You don't see too many of these. Country boys. Man, this interior is nice. I love this. I love this finish material. Little details, rose gold. Real wood. He said I'm running too. Back. G Customs. We just dropped the collage on our SolidWhipz Classic Instagram page of this one. He was a key award winner at the Rick Ross Car Show. Like crazy details. Crazy details. I like it. I like that one. I like that one. Yeah. In and out customs, patina. What's going on?
What kind of horsepower this ain't taking? Should be about 800 but I'm pulling on about 700.
Yeah. Heavyweight boss. So like I said, red is one of my favorite colors. Hey, look at this man. Hey, look.
In the building.
Hey, look.
Hey,
Don't be like this.
Hey,
you bring Goldie today? Did you bring Goldie? Yeah.
I need an upgrade on the picture, man.
Got you. See?
She's back together, man.
Hey, look. He got a canvas last year, so I'm gonna get him right. We're gonna get him right.
Loving it. It's on
We're gonna get him
par.
right.
Gotta
Yeah.
get an upgrade.
Got you.
It's an upgrade.
Hey, look.
An improved version, right?
Oh, yeah, new and improved.
Upgrade season. I got you. Hey.
Bro. Love.
Yes, sir. Red with the gold. How y'all feel about the red with the gold? I love the S-Class. He got the matching donk, same wheels. This car used to have wheels like the one that's on this trailer. So which one y'all like more, the gold or when he had this set up? Y'all drop it in the comments and let me know. Dude, it's the first time I done seen a dually. Yes, sir. How you like that vet? Right. Shout out to that boy NFL Pro Rise. Always showing love. I normally don't like the gold, but I like how that still is. Even with it being blue, I still rock with it. Clean truck setup interior. Clean interior. The inside. Got another clean one, that black on black. Kevin Carter. See you, Kevin Carter. You got a clean 74, sir. The Grand Nasty. He tucked too. Matching steering wheel, OG interior. Bel Air. Him running. Hey, him running. I'm that guy. Hey, him running. Boy, you running.
Just the details, baby.
Yes, sir.
Hey, running to the wheel.
Yes, sir. Now here go your short bed.
I know. All of these are.
I like it. Look at this tuck. This tuck is crazy. This tuck is crazy. So much goes into fitting that wheel. Those are all custom fabricated wheel wells to fit that wheel. Completely wrapped interior. And he on airbags. Look, this how you know. That right there, that's how you control the airbag. Got the Dodge.
I like this one.
Yeah, I like this one too. The nitrous. So he said, I'm running.
Look at the lip.
With the side exhaust. Yeah. Y'all see that. July 8th, SolidWhipz Summer Showdown. Look, see that?
Bam.
Boom.
Bam.
I saw this one last year. I like he changed up the wheels. I've never been a fan of full-size trucks lowered, but I like these. They're growing on me. Got the Nissan GTR Nismo. One of my favorite cars. I do want one. It does not have to be a Nismo because these retailing for like damn near $200,000. Insane, insane. Yeah, come get your car washed, come get your truck washed. They got rolling judging. So there's no way you can't get judged. You don't get judged, it's because you didn't go over there.
Hey, shout out to Hey, this is the best car. This is the best car.
That short bed, clean. The whole lower truck line up. Nasty. Which one, the tan one? With the side steps? Yeah. Got the dually. Look how the dually is literally laying on the ground. And the crazy part, he towed something in with this. So that's live, yeah.
That one we seen at Midwest Fest. I remember that one.
No, we saw that here last year.
Oh, we did?
Yeah. Yeah. His wheels though. The patina finish with the clear coat. Those wheels. Man, look, got me ready to run now. So out of the trucks, which one is your? No, you gotta choose one out of those.
One.
The black
First one, yeah.
The rim?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think that's black.
Oh, it's blue. My bad, it's blue. I'm blind. I'm blind.
I'm legally blind. So on one side, we got the lowered, right? And on the other, we got the lifted. I'm more of a fan of the lifted because I like to tell people to get out of my way. That's because you short. That's because you short. That's all. That's because you short. So if y'all gotta choose between lifted and lowered, which one y'all like? Which one y'all like? Lifted or lowered? He won Best of Show last year. The Rose Gold finish.
Oh, Atlanta.
It's the Atlanta Truck Invasion. Shout out to Atlanta Truck Invasion. Like I said, we had one side was the lifted, one side was the lowered. So which one you got? If you had to choose, lifted, lowered, which one we going with?
The lifted.
Lifted.
Because I want to jump out that motherfucker. Yes.
Just because she wants to jump out.
Yes.
Just because she wants to jump out.
Hey, you imagine they see me in something like that, my short ass come out that.
They're not gonna think it's yours.
Exactly. That's why.
What a motivator. Okay, yeah. It's not a stick, but it's nice. Hell I am. Got that Cutlass 442 over there on the 4G. There go your C10. But every time I see a C10, I'm be like, there go your C10.
With the red interior.
Yeah. It's Mustang Fox body. Beautiful. Oh! Look, who that be? Who that be? That's that boy, GDF boy. What's up with it, boy? What's up with it, boy? What's up with it, boy? Hey.
We always say we keep our witness. My mama from the age, she slowed it down for me at 7.
I've been trying to see this car for years. He finally got a dually, so now he's hauling stuff.
Taught me keep my weapon and never trust a nigga or a bitch.
Jeans! Hey, shout out to my Bubba's photography. Hey, tell them where they can find you.
Bubba's _ photography on Instagram.
We're on Facebook.
Bubba's photography on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Y'all here?
We got Beyonce, Trey the Truth, and we can't forget Devin. Big shout out to them boys, and I can't forget back to Texas. I've been feeling like Luca, how I bought that shit a blessing. #1 rule in Texas, keep it solid, ain't no telling. Hey, and always keep your fucking weapon. A nigga try me at them guys.
This thing crazy, boy. Cat Pack King. He said, show me a harder one. It's a wide body. The real wide body. Not the fake one.
Hey, this Texas tea is what I drink. South Walker had us dripping, South had the hoes that don't drink. Young Mason had us digging deep in that. Hey, she zero top and keep my weapon. And never trust a nigga or a bitch, cause it's expected. No killers from the country, they ride horses and throw settles. Got niggas in the east, ride ATVs with Mac 11s. First off, you better remember what that sign say before you come down here in this bitch. Don't mess with Texas.
Got the big dually lifted up on 30s. What you think about the dually on 30s? I like 30s. I like 30s. If I go 30s, I gotta go 42-inch tires. This must be where the cool kids come kick it. Alright, remember which one is that? The one on the end. Come on now.
Camaro?
Yes, Camaro. You remember what kind?
A Z28.
You read the door, didn't you?
Yes,
You
I
read
did.
the door. You cheated. It's okay. You get a pass for cheating. About the only time you get a pass for cheating. But yeah, it's Z28 Camaro. What kind of wheels?
4Gs?
Yup. 4Gs. T-top too. Got the clean ball head. Can't go wrong with the clean ball head. 75 Caprice on the Monty Forge wheels with the Tierra grill. And he for sale, 65,000. That thing, 65,000. Full custom interior, matching steering wheel. It's that candy orange too.
Okay. The stitch match the interior.
Yes, sir. What you think, 65? You gonna pay 65 for it?
I'm good on you. He's inside and out is done.
Right.
There you go.
Plain. 442 on 40. There we go. That's something different right there. I literally have no idea. I don't know. We gonna do our homework. Hey, we're gonna do our homework. But she loves
El Camino.
Latinos.
It looks like one, but then the bumper is different. I mean, the hood.
Stylish. T-top. Got the Cadillac Eldorado. Like a Pepsi Blue. Got the Pepsi Blue Eldorado.
I like that interior.
I like the car, period. With the got the new headlights.
It's a girl car.
That's just probably the name. That don't mean it's a girl. All dudes name their cars girls. Spokes and Vogues. This interior is insane. You see the interior on this one? Yeah. I need some old schools to pull up. I need the old schools to pull up July 8th. Got that 4-door over there. SD Forge wheels. Got your black C10.
Black Ortiz.
It's the artist wheel. She said Ortiz. Ortiz. Yeah, whatever. The rose gold 4Gs. I love the ECL style wheel when it comes out like this.
Mama say you see them colors twins.
Oh, this Sax Speeds twin. Bubba Photography, you petty, bro. Petty. Man, he clean though, he nice. Full trunk. Missing a couple things. This is actually a young guy's car. He clean up. Camaro, the Lamborghini doors. Got the Granddaddy Clean Classic Caprice. There you go. Self-made. That red candy fade. What's up with it, my boy? On sixes. The waves. I see you being nosy. What kind is this?
I got it. That's a Chevelle.
Chevelle. Do you know, remember what year?
72.
Said, ah, you cheated. I was gonna give you props. You cheated. You cheated. Ooh, wee.
I'm not satisfied.
Corleone Forge.
I'm not at your level yet.
I still be Googling it sometimes. I be forgetting. I'm still learning. Man, I like that stance of that wheel. I like how that stands. There's a lot of cutties in here. There's a lot of competition. I like this one too. Man, I like how the rear lips hit. That rear lip's nice.
Look at the sun.
The color, I know. That color hitting it right. Got another G-body Cutlass. I remember when I first started coming down to Atlanta, I saw this one at Gabe in the City Car Show. Man, I done came a long way, boy. I'm gonna redo the collage I did on this one. You remember the first time we saw this one? Gabe in the City Car Show.
Oh, that was a long time ago.
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
3, 4 years?
Man, that's when I first started doing this. My collages was rough. I done came a long way, so I'm definitely gonna redo that one just for the GP. Got the Tahoe lifted up. That Audi A7. Big cap 4Gs. I'm like 24s too. Man, they out here. T-top. You got a little bit of everything. You got the lowriders, the muscles, the Box. 6'4" Impala. The LX. Core wheels. Do they even make core wheels anymore? Y'all let me know in the comments. I ain't seen a set of core wheels in a minute.
See the Buick? He say he's on YouTube.
Who?
The guy with the black hat. Wait. Yeah. He said, this is my Buick. Let me give you my car.
It is nice. And it's my favorite
And it's
color.
black and red.
It's both of my favorite colors. You the owner?
Yeah.
She told me you saw the video.
Yeah,
right on. So we vlogging right now, so you definitely about to be on the next one.
All right, let's go.
Hey, tell me a little bit about it. What am I looking at?
1967 Buick Skylark Grand Sport. It's my third teardown.
Gotcha.
Shout out to my guys up at Traffic Jams. All right, Buick, Georgia, did the interior, did the trunk. Get this rag out the way. They did their Traffic Jams.
Look
Shout
at
out to them.
Shout out to Traffic Jam for getting the trunk together.
Shout out to my guy Renfro Buffy. Shout out to my boy Teddy that painted it.
Nice.
Shout out to my guy Miguel over at Opulence who did the tent and the wrap.
Nice.
And then Lamar Walton did the motor work. Yep.
Let's peep this interior. This interior is clean. Now everybody was messing with me because I said black was my favorite color and red was my favorite color. I got two favorite colors.
There you go.
And he got both of them. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you girl one. Let me give you one too.
Okay.
My baby boy just started his clothing line, Fly 23.
Hey, look, the clothing line.
Look, Fly 23.
Shorts, everything, Fly 23.
Hey, y'all check him out. Fly 23.
Yeah, 6 years
Boom.
old.
6 years old. Show
Alright,
that man some love, some support. But we definitely are. We definitely be focusing on that. Hold on, let's get it focused. I get it to focus. I can't get it to focus. Yeah, come on, look. Teamwork made the dream work. Boom, look at that. All right, y'all tap in. Hey, appreciate it, man. Support.
Keep watching, y'all.
Yes, sir. Thank you. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about. I do this so everybody else can enjoy stuff that they don't get a chance to see. So it really helped me to know that people love what I'm doing. Despite everybody talking their shit and hating, we still gonna do what we gonna do. You did? Goldie, I gotta get new pictures of Goldie. He got the wheels wrapped. My boy Q.
They got the interior.
Green, this is my family right here, man.
Yeah, that's St. Louis for you right there. Had to show my St. Louis boys some love. 73 104 G's. Regal. Now, I'm normally not a big fan of polished wheels. I kind of like the brush look, but this polish, it just hit it.
Black make it stand out.
Got that Smokey and the Bandit vibe. If he was from the hood, though. Yeah, this one nice, man. Okay, it's clean. It's cool to see one of these on some wheels. And not only that, with a big ass engine. Now there go your Elco. Your El Camino. He got the sunroof.
There's a girl in Atlanta that has the El Camino. She got a nice one. She got a gray interior.
Somebody, Dana?
Yeah.
Or something like that? Yeah. We hit. We definitely hit. Got an Impala Vert. He for sale too. On Monty Forge wheels. Do got any 4-door lovers? 4-door Caprice Classic. I love the pillarless design. I like that. He was beating earlier when he came in here. Shout out to DJ Threat. Came out with the Impala SS on the gold 4Gs. Matching steering wheel. Y'all see the TV in the dashboard? I really haven't seen nobody do nothing like that in a long time. So spokes and Vogues on that stinking Lincoln. Man, that thing long. Scat Pack on the 4G. Good to necklace. What up, my boy? Showing up late. I'ma start a ride. You know what that was? That's Project Cars from Carlos Miller. Ken. Yeah.
Okay.
Pow pow. Side step, clean. Ruchis. See the roof? Double sunroof. Clean interior. Right around with that. I like this one.
I like how it's set.
Yes, sir. Got the little Chicano truck.
Puerto Rico in the house. No.
That's not Puerto Rico. She is, oh my, you know what? She's fired.
Hey,
She says, no, look, no, it ain't the heat, bro. She's Hispanic, and she just said that they from Puerto Rico. You fired. You're fired. Back to regular scheduled programming. We got the rose gold.
I like the rose gold program.
I've never seen the rose gold Dayton's up and close in person, but these are beautiful. Matching steering wheel. I actually really like this one a lot. He clean. He definitely clean. T-top. So which one you gonna take? You got the rose gold with the rose gold Dayton's or the T-top. Which one you going with?
I like the T-top because the T-top is nice.
Man, these seats look plush.
What? Rose gold. I said the T-top's nice, but the rose gold. And then the spokes are nice.
Yeah, I ain't seen rose gold spokes before. Be a beast, drive a beast. I like that steering wheel. Him, the airbags. Got the twisted metal, wide body, scat pack. Hey, if these guns was real, I would need something like this, like in a zombie apocalypse. I think that'd actually be fun. Got a lot of Mopars up here. Oh, your lifted Jeep. What a Hellcat engine.
What the hell? You just read my mind. I'm like, you got a Hellcat engine on this? Hey, look, is this the yeah.
I don't know what that is. I know there's a elephant, but I don't know if this is a elephant. No, it's not a elephant. No. Getting back to this Hellcat Jeep Wrangler though. Okay then, that's the build sheet right there. Don't know if y'all can see it. He got the build sheet sitting on the front seat. Look at her. She wants this truck and she can barely even get in it.
I like it.
Another G body cutlass. A body cutlass.
I've never seen a Hellcat engine on a Jeep.
Not in person. I haven't seen it in person, but I've seen them before. 28s on the box Chevy, big cat, 4Gs. All red interior. Yellow on yellow on yellow on some more yellow. And he's on air ride. Yeah, I like it. Let me know what y'all think. Is that yellow overkill or is he clean? What you think? Yellow overkill or is he clean?
It's overkill.
It look like you yellow.
Hey, leave me alone.
You yellow. Elko on the 4Gs. Back after a little quick lunch break, if you want to call it that. Hadn't ate since this morning, so we're gonna finish up what we got here. It's about 6:40, shows till 9. The sun's starting to go down, so let's get to it. 75 Caprice. I actually kind of like these because how often do you see the orange interior?
Clean.
Yeah, he clean. Yeah, I like this. Wade brought them out. Packed today. You want to tell them what you had for lunch?
Hey, rib tips.
Rib tips.
It was banging.
I had the pulled pork sandwich. It was good. It was good. I didn't get to finish it because I'm trying to grab this content, but it was good though.
Lemonade was good too.
Yeah, that lemonade was smacking. Gone now, but it was good. Ooh, look at this. Got the stripper pole. Bust down. Okay. What about the purple Tahoe? Oh, he said the chandelier. Alright, I see it. My two favorite colors, black and red. I used to have a weird obsession with that truck. Yes. I used to want one of these so bad. 30s. Yeah. The Escalade got Lamborghini doors. We need to tell Jimmy to put Escalade doors.
Next time they get shot. If you really love me, fuck me like a thought. If you really let me do it, I say it. Yeah, let me dead in my eye. The plan, I'ma set it on fire. My little bitch is a masterpiece. I ain't even gotta be funny when I'm telling no jokes. He still gon' laugh at me. Still suck my shit and keep mad at me. Let it make me mad to see. I nod my head in the streets. Them niggas don't slide on your bitch ass for me. Bust down, call you a new masterpiece. My little bitch is a masterpiece. I ain't even gotta be funny when I'm telling no jokes. He still gon' laugh at me.
I normally don't like the all black wheel. I kind of like chrome, but there's no chrome on here for real, so it's fitting. It's fitting. I love this wheel right here. American Racing.
Oh.
Yeah, I like that. I like this wheel. The Smokey and the Benetton Trans Am with the Forgiatos. At the Charger. Heavy. Had to choose between the old school Fleetwood and the new gen Cadillac. Which one you going with? The old school? Why the old school?
I don't know. Them new ones look like.
You don't like the new ones? You like the antique? Okay then.
Pack it up.
You got your purple pearlescent. What? Yes, it is. How are you gonna tell me? Hey, come on, man. You ain't trying to fight though. You ain't trying to fight though.
I will. I would try.
Now this one I'm talking about 70 Chevelle SS. Everybody LS swap they Chevelles. That's the 454 big block. Yeah.
It's big.
All right, so what's been your favorite car so far?
Oh my God, I knew you was gonna ask that.
So far, like, we ain't even made it all the way through, but just so far, what you seen? What's been your favorite car?
So far, honestly, that Buick Skylark with the black and red.
Black and red, yeah. Me, I'm still undecided. This is, I feel like it's over. Like I'm overwhelmed. I haven't decided
That
yet.
one and the short bait gang, the truck invasion gang.
The Atlanta truck invasion.
It's hard to pick. Like,
I think we're gonna have to do a favorite one of each class.
yes.
So that's what we're gonna do. On the recap, we're gonna do one favorite one from each class.
Hey.
Battle of the boxes. What you got? Blue, red. Y'all drop it in the comments. Blue or red? You know I'm going red. But the blue? You said what?
I would go blue just cause.
You walking home. She walking home. You a traitor. Blasphemy. We don't have room for the blasphemy over here. Man. This the one we did a collage edit on this one. Yep. See them red?
Hey, bouncing off.
Look, her little thirsty ass. 2 gig. Got the baby booty dooley. I like it though. She's in love with the short bed.
You see me? That's what that says. Oh my God.
We can't skip the side step though. Yeah, he running. He running. He running. He definitely running. You like this color?
If it had a tan interior, it looked like
I can see it. I see the vision. I see the vision. Man, he got this thing slammed. He on airbags too. He on airbags. You can see the controller in there. Bunch of B-bodies over here. Up in that mug.
and the interior's tan.
All right, so we are officially done. I'm beat, I am sweaty, I am tired, but I feel like I got everything I needed and then some. So with that being said, what was your favorites for today? So we'll do this. What was your favorite truck?
I'm heartbroken between the black and red C10 and then the brown one.
The candy root beer one?
Yes, that one. Damn, I was way off.
It's okay. It's the heat. It's the heat. Shout out to Bubba. Bubba's photography. It's the heat.
It's the heat.
It's the heat, baby. All right, so.
Between those two, but I like the color on the red and black one of the interior.
All right. What about old school car?
Skylark, the Buick Skylark.
The black
and red one.
Okay. That's
You
an old
got
school
the
car.
perfect lip size and everything.
What about new school? New school car. Yeah, I don't think you really was paying attention to the new school cars for real. All right.
If I had to pick a new school, it'd be that Jeep with the Hellcat engine.
I said new school car, and
You
she
talking
says
to
the
me.
Jeep with the Hellcat. Okay, so we know the new school truck she likes. So we're gonna try this again. What new school car do you like, ma'am? Miss Ma'am.
Give me options. I don't know.
What? Okay, I don't know. Corvette, Charger, Audi.
I don't know about that one. I really
You don't know about that one.
Nothing really caught my eye like that.
Alright, well for me personally, lit for truck, I'm gonna go with Jay Johnson's F350 dually.
Okay.
That's my
Now
favorite.
He's gonna make me feel bad.
That's my favorite. Old school truck, I'm probably gonna go with one of the short bed OBS's. I think the red one, the 454, that one was nice. Old school car, that one was tough. I ain't gonna lie, that was, it had some nice stuff out here today. But for the old school car, man, see, I like that one. See, I like this one. That red box Chevy. Oh no. Yeah, he clean. He clean. Alright, so he's definitely in my top. He's definitely in my top. I don't know.
Dang, you
Old school cars. Sheesh.
All the red ones.
All the red ones. Boom, right there. We gonna sum up all the red ones. And then I said, okay, truck, old school, new car. Honestly, I didn't really see no new cars that I like. I think probably that red S-Class on the Go Forgiatos. Not my particular choice for wheels, but I do like the paint. It's red, so you know, that's that. But that's pretty much it for real. Like we covered everything.
It was a huge turnout.
Yes.
Huge turnout.
Much shout out to my boy James. WHIPSBYWADE put on another fantastic show. Be back next year, but next year we bringing our cars, so no spectating. We gonna bring our cars, but that's pretty much it for us. We gonna get up out of here, shower, get something to eat. Yeah.
Make sure y'all check us out July 8th.
Boom.
SolidWhipz Car Show.
Yeah. Cincinnati, Ohio. 12 to 6. We going up. So y'all stay tuned for the next one. Appreciate the support. Make sure y'all drop down a comment and let me know which car that y'all saw was y'all favorite car, truck, bike. Oh, I forgot the bikes. My favorite bike was that blue one. I don't know the name of the bikes, but my favorite one was that blue one that was laid out. That was nice. But yeah, drop in the comments. Let me know which one was your favorite. Make sure you like, share, drop a subscribe, turn on your bell notifications. Got a little tongue tied, so y'all can stay in tune on when we drop the next video. But until then, blessings. Appreciate the support. We out.
Peace